Recording? Awesome. Hey, this is George here. I'm expecting a package, and I think it might be here, so let's go take a look. So I just got my box here and about ready to open this thing up. Now, I gotta tell you that I've been in the affiliate or trying to build some online marketing for about 2.5 years now. I get a little bit of traction, but it just seems like there's another program, there's another golden carrot or something like that somewhere else, and it's easy for me to get distracted and bounce. So what I'm really excited about with this One Funnel Away challenge is it's only 30 days and it's going to keep me grounded. Now, anybody can do something for 30 days. Well, this 30-day box that I've got here is going to be my solution. I'm going to dedicate more time, more effort, and I'm going to follow the instructions. And what has kind of led me up to this point over the last week is I got these two things here. I got this .com secrets and these expert secrets, and I've gone through, not all of it, but I've gone through some of it while I was waiting for this to come. And there's been some mind-blowing information, and this is the one that's going to make the biggest difference. Because Russell, I know that you're the man, you put this together and everything there, so I'm super excited to just kind of push myself into that same arena with all those other people, and just can't wait to make this work, man. I'm really excited about this. So anyways, I'm gonna open this thing here and see what's inside. And let me see here. Guess how do I like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away challenge? Well, how would you guys like to win $100? Stay tuned, okay? Well,
boy, got a bunch of red fluffy stuff there, man. Love that kind of stuff, right? This is like Christmas here. Alright, what's this? We got the book. I think this is
the book. This is the book that's going to have... Whoop. How about that, Russell, and that $100? I'm going to need to read what that is on the back there. This is... Suddenly, if you were to lose everything, what would you do in the next 30 days? I got some pre-access to this online, and I got to tell you, I got through the first two or the first three, and I have got some ideas. I'm going through this. I'm going through this 30 days, and I'm going to keep a dialogue in some vlogs like this so that way everybody knows how this is going to work and how it can work for them. So if you struggled, and if you're the type of person that has been trying to make some money online and just has not gotten to where you actually need it to go, I'm going to prove to you this is where you need to go. And there will be a link or something on here, so just go ahead and look for the link down below or on here, and you'll be able to get this for yourself too. So what else is on here? I think we've got, this is supposed to be a little MP3 player. Yep. So I guess I can plug into here. Little MP3 player, look at that. Oh, is that nice? Yeah. And it's got a little USB thing on there too, so we're going to check that out. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I can't wait to see what's on there. This is the 2 comma club. So 2 commas, 1 comma is 1,000. Another comma after that's got to be the $1 Million Club. So there's some coaching in here. So you can be successful and finally master this whole internet thing here, because you already probably know who Russell is and a lot of these other guys who are famous and have made a lot of money. So we got a workbook here. Again, I'm going to have to go through all this, but it just looks like I'll be able to just fill in the blanks. Awesome, awesome, awesome. My challenge to you guys here is follow along. Follow along and watch what I go through, what I learn, and what I've learned this time in this 30 days that maybe I didn't catch over the past 2.5 years. I hope to share that with you. I hope that you listen along, and I'm excited for whatever your dreams are to be able to finally realize that it's not your fault. It is the way that everything was presented to you in the past. So take that, whatever's happened in the past, push it aside. The next 30 days is going to be yours. So again, watch for that link around here, and I know you guys can do it. If you need some help, just kind of raise your hand, contact somebody. I know there's a lot of people out there that can help. Contact me or contact the other people from One Funnel Away, and I know that we'll do this, and we'll be at the goal line in no time. So everyone out there, thanks. Have a fantastic day.